In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on the Bybit app. So first, simply go in and open up the Bybit app, then here click on deposit. Now, if you already have the money in your balance, then you can click on buy with euro right here. If not, you want to go and click on deposit, whichever currency you use. So click deposit right there. If you don't have it yet, then here simply enter the amount that you would like to use to buy the USDT, for example, 50 euros. Then click continue in the bottom and go and purchase and go and deposit this. Then it should arrive shortly. Then again, go and click on deposit, but now click on the second option, which for me says buy with euro. For you, it may be US dollar or a different currency, but click on that one. Then here in the top right, whatever it says for you, just click on the drop down. Then here search for USDT. So Tether USDT. Then here enter how much you would like to buy. The minimum is 10 euros, but for example, I would then do 50, click next. And then if you have the money in your balance, right here, you can then go and use your balance. So now you know how to buy USDT on the Bybit app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.